Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to create folders on home screen on VIVO Y27. You can see that there already is a folder Google on your screen, and you can create your own folders the same way by pressing and holding on an app you want to add to the folder, then drag it over another app you want to add to the folder, and now they both are grouped together. You can click on the name to rename it like that. And when there is more than 9 apps in the folder, like in the Google folder, you can swipe through pages of it to access different apps. And to remove an app from the folder, drag it out of the folder, and now the folder has been deleted because there's no app in it. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.